On this episode of Doorbell News.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Las Vegas, Nevada. A delivery driver forgets to put his car in park. He doesn't even bother to leave a note. He just drives right off. You won't be working for Uber Eats much longer, buddy. Meanwhile in Las Vegas, it's been pretty flooded over the weekend. A neighbor shared this footage showing how flooded it was on her street. San Diego, California. Albuquerque, New Mexico. So this lady's outside fiddling with someone's door. She tries to wiggle the knob and enter their home. Let's see what happens. Hey lady, this isn't your house. Get lost! Sacramento, California. This is why you need a cam masker.
Don't go in that house, because I'm gonna hear this motherfucker talk about this.
Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So this woman's walking inside her house. But when she walks inside, she realizes that there's a burglar inside. Can you imagine walking in your house and seeing somebody? What would you do?
I'm sorry.
She walks back to her car to gain her composure and a call for help. She said they escaped the same way they came in, through a window. Luckily, she was okay. Meanwhile in Las Vegas, yeah, some serious flooding going on.
Holy
San Bernardino, California. Yeah, this is what happens when you leave your door open. Somebody may just walk inside and make themselves at home. Meanwhile in Vegas, the Link Hotel parking lot is full of water. Houston, Texas. Looks like this old guy's trying to kick somebody's door in.
Oh my god!
We got submarines here in Las Vegas.
San Diego, California. Looks like we got a pirate with a Pomeranian or something.
Main door is open.
Lewisville, Texas. Check her out. Looks like she's trying to squat at someone's house. But the homeowner is home and has a few words for her. Let's see what happens. Does someone live here? Someone definitely lives here. You definitely need to get lost! Meanwhile in Las Vegas, the flooding continues. I heard the Burning Man Festival got canceled. Meanwhile in San Bernardino, this lady's just making herself at home. She takes off her shoes and gets comfortable and decides to watch some TV. Turn the fan on and she decides to lay down and relax. Yeah. Loma Linda, California.
Go away.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Now.
And you leave K9? Fontana Police Department, you will be responsible for your shit. You too, Loma Linda.
No showers here today, lady. Get lost!
That's why I was asked. 20 years. You let this a victim, you fucking, you in it too.
San Jose, California. Check this guy out. He seems to be lost. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Who are you looking for?
Steven.
What do you want? No, Steven lives here. Get out. I'm gonna call the cops.
What are you talking about?
Leave. Who are you looking for?
Steven.
There's no Steven here. Leave. Ándale, me quebró la cámara. Stop touching my camera. Leave. No.
Steven? No Steven? There's no Steven here?
No.
Okay.
Go.
Sorry. No Steven here?
No.
No?
Go before they beat you up.
Okay. Sorry. No Steven? Okay.
I'm gonna call the police.
Okay. No Steven?
Leave.
Yeah. Okay. I'll be up. Sure.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at canmasker.com.